Here I will show how to export data to CSV from within ProsperVue for Salesforce. One reason why you might want to do this is if you're working with an email program or an analysis software that is not tightly integrated with Salesforce and you need to export data and import it into the other program. There are two ways to export to CSV. Both are under the three dots in the upper right corner here. The first way is export to CSV icon right here. What this will do is export from this view here. And it's going to choose the first 1,000 records from this dot. The blue dot represents your location or where you set ProsperVue to focus. And it will select the first 1,000 records radiating out from that location. The reason why there's a 1,000 record limit is because the intent is not to download 100% of data out of Salesforce. And the second way is to draw a geofence within a specific area and then download data within that geofence. So to show you how this works, we'll click on Export to CSV here. It will take just a second or two to download, to prepare the data for download. It will select the objects that are in your tabs here at the bottom of ProsperVue. We have accounts, contacts, and leads. You may have different objects there. To select which data you want to download, click in the box in the upper left corner there. You can pull down if you need to, if your list is a little longer. You can also choose to export specific records within each object. Obviously, if there's 1,000 contact records, it's a little longer list to choose from. But if you had 40 or 50 contacts and you wanted to choose to export 10, you can make individual choices there. So after you've made your choice, click Next. Name your files. We're being real creative here. And then click Export, and they instantly export. For me, the files go into my Downloads folder, so I know I can go there to find them. Well, the second way to choose data to download is with a geofence. If, for example, you're traveling to McCormick Place in Chicago for a conference and you want to invite accounts and leads in the area to visit with you there, you can send a campaign. So what we'll do first to make it easier to geofence and select those pins is cluster the pins. You see how all those pins around the Chicago area collapsed into one pin. And then what we'll do is select the geofence. I like the rectangle. Draw a rectangle around this area. Then left click within it, and then click Export to CSV. It'll take a second and process the records within the geofence. So you can see we have different numbers here. It's selected only the records within that geofence. We have leads, contacts, and accounts. I will just keep them all. Click Next. And again, same thing. Give a name for your accounts. Or give a name for your files. Click Export. And you will find the CSV files on your computer.